the same game.
Human evolution is an extremely lengthy process which has taken about 60 million years to reach its current stage of today. Darwin's theory of evolution states that humans and apes once shared a common ancestor. This report will be covering the main features of human evolution. The main features are anatomical structure, behavior, embryo development, and DNA. Human and ape bone structure is basically the same, except for a few small, minor differences. The Lucy skeleton is a great example of a transitional skeleton between our common ancestor and humans now. Her pelvis hints that she walked upright. Her vertebrae bones suggest she was about 3 feet tall. This is below the average height of humans, which suggests this was more ape-like than human-like. Lucy also had long dangling arms, which suggests she was a good climber, which is another ape trait. All these similarities suggest that humans did once share a common ancestor with apes. Another example of an anatomical change is the Hadar skull. The skull was only big enough for an ape-sized brain. However, the jaw of the skull is slightly more drawn in than other apes. Could this be because they started using tools more to get food and didn't need to chew things much as more? This skull suggests that the human jaw has become more drawn in over time, which means that we came from a common ancestor with apes. Humans and apes are both primates, which mean they share similar traits. However, humans have developed bigger brains, which mean they can advance in all these traits. Proof of this is humans developing bigger skulls so they can hold these brains. One main reason why humans have become so dominant is our ability to care for others and the sick, example a pregnant woman. If we go back to the Taylor footprints, we can see there was one adult set of prints and one child set of prints. This suggests that the mother was looking after her child. Apes also do this too, which means this is a common similarity between humans and apes and suggests we both came from a common ancestor. Human and ape embryos are very similar. As you can see, the humans and apes both have arms and legs developing at the same time. However, a human spine is a lot straighter and slightly longer than an ape's. This would be because we walk on 2 legs. The human embryo also has more room for a brain. These embryos are both very similar and suggest we both once came from a common ancestor. If you compare human and ape DNA, they are pretty much the same. This is because they came from a common ancestor. The light and dark bands on these chromosomes represent differences and similarities among human and ape DNA. You can see how similar they are, with minor differences. Nearly all genes in chimps and humans are identical. They both have the gene OPN1LW, which allows them to see red. These similarities suggest that humans and apes both come from a common ancestor. So, in conclusion, all the facts point towards that humans and apes once did share a common ancestor. Thank you for watching.